Welcome back to the Tesla Plaid channel. As of today, March 4th, Tesla is still quoting that the Plaid will be delivered here in the month of March, as you can see on my order screen. In the meantime, my Tesla Raven has had 22 races in the last week that I haven't had a chance to post yet. Let's take a quick look at how the Tesla did against a Ferrari last night. We're out at Showtime Dragstrip, March 3rd, 2021. It's a pretty sharp looking Ferrari here. Get many Ferraris out on the track. In fact, in the year and a half that I've been racing with Tesla, I have not seen a Ferrari even a single time. It's got Michelin Sport Cup 2s, 305s. I'm giving the Ferrari the hit here. So that race against the Ferrari, obviously that was just too much of a head start to give him. You can see his reaction time was about 0.7 to my 1.2, as it took me half a second to process that his car was actually moving. It didn't exactly launch hard off the line, his 60 foot 1.9 to my 60 foot of 158. But yeah, in the end I ran a 687 to his 728, and some people might say, yeah, well, the Tesla blew away the Ferrari, but at the end of the day he crossed the finish line 0.13 ahead of me because of that head start. Apparently not everybody here at the track understood that I was giving the Ferrari the move, but you can look at any other time slip from tonight. You can compare that reaction to this reaction, and obviously the 1.2 is a half a second head start any way you look at it. I asked the Ferrari for a rematch, but he said he wasn't making any more runs tonight. All right. But now he just made a run against somebody else, so not quite sure what's up with that. So we took 2 out of 3 against the Ferrari. You can see the color difference in the slip. They give the white slip to the winner and the yellow slip to the other driver. The best time that the Ferrari ran out of all the races I saw it make is the 7.1 there on the far right. So reaction times aside, you can see how the ETs compare, and that the absolute worst Tesla pass of the whole night, after 15 passes, was still faster than the best Ferrari pass of the entire night. So interesting to note that, just, you know, what the cars can do as opposed to the cars plus the driver. And I appreciate Grant for giving me the rematches so that we could see how the cars really compared.
Tell him next time he needs a race suit and a helmet.
Don't talk too much trash. You gotta say it was my first time at the track.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys are both off the. So
I don't know how to use launch control.
You guys are good competition, but like you were like a second off the line each time. If you guys got on the line together, you'd be like right there, like
against
the 8.
instant power. Right?
You were fucked. You were gone that last time. Boom.
So yeah, you'll want a jacket. I think if you run around 7, I think anything under 7.5 out here, they want you to wear a jacket.
Yeah, he said you need the whole kit.
My times came down every time, but you smoked.
Really, your times were down?
Yeah, I went from 7.28 to 7 something to 7.1.
Oh,
nice,
what was your best time?
I didn't look at the.
But he just smoked me off the line. I was definitely seeing
90s.
Oh yeah.
Once you hooked up,
93.
Yeah, you were torching me off the line, but I could see myself catching you a bit.
Put a light on there, Frank.
What did he get? A 6 something?
Yeah, you out-mile-an-houred me on every pass.
He had a 6.
So that means I'm coming on stronger.
A 6.93. You had a 7.1.
Yeah.
He had 6.93.
I'm not like getting off the line.
So I was.
it's just off the line.
Yeah,
It's the launch control.
He had like 2 cars on me.
Yeah.
While I was sitting there, I'm like, "What's going on?" I was like looking at you. You suck, Ferrari. Fucking shitty ass donkey.
So I was exactly 100 miles an hour on every one, and you had 103.
Does
103 about, and almost 104 actually on that first pass. So you had more mile an hour on every pass than I did.
You're booking.
That's good.
That's booking on a night.
I never broke 101. So
It's good to see you.
Yeah. So I mean, if we were on the quarter mile, you'd be catching me on that second half of the track.
What is that? A P80D?
No, they just call it performance now.
All right.
They stopped giving them numbers in the beginning of 2019.
I didn't know.
Cool, man. Well, it was a lot of fun. Let's go. Nice racing with you.
Yeah,
Andrew,
absolutely.
right?
Yeah, Andrew. Alex, Grant, and Samson. Nice meeting you guys. And at the end of this month, they'll have this kind of test and tune out at Bradenton. Have you guys ever been out to Bradenton? Yeah.
That's a good.
And that would be a good race, because even if I get him off the line, he'll probably be catching me every time.
What day is that? On Saturday?
Thursdays.
That's a quarter mile track.
They do
too.
Thursdays, yeah. But they've got like some special events the next couple
What's your number?
Thursdays.
We got to
Yeah, that'll be cool. Yeah. All right, guys. Nice to meet you out. Thanks for the races, Grant.